I mean, I hate the idea that publishing for the creative side has become like a hobby career, and it's increasingly that way, which is sad because I use the same argument for Midjourney. Okay, it's like we have a bunch of artists who, when they're starting out, they're surviving off creating prints, they're surviving off writing book covers and all these things, and eventually they get good enough that they're on the top level. They're like uniquely skilled. But if something like Midjourney or ChatGPT comes in and they take all the business from that middle ground, then all these artists with potential might not ever make it to the part where they reach their full potential,
right?
Because they don't have the way to sustain themselves within that career.
We're having that same conversation on the publishing side of things, because especially we're talking about the big publishers, a lot of the smaller publishers are standing against the AI stuff, but I've been seeing CEOs of some of the bigger companies go, well, isn't this a great idea to replace our editors? And if they ever do think this might actually work and think that they can implement it, what does that mean for editorial assistants who are getting the mentorship along the pipeline? How do you create a pipeline when you have no entry-level employees?
I mean, it's not just that. It's like editing requires nuance. Even copy editing, which is more technical, requires somebody to look at this word and look at the words around it and how it's structured and where it is within the paragraph. There's all these variables that like come under the human condition. Like the person here, when you look at that word that you're trying to edit, can understand what it means and feels in context with everything else around it.
And it's not just the words that you're talking about, it's the whole big picture of plot and characterization and pacing and world building and all of those things that, I don't know, maybe eventually we might have a machine be able to handle all those things. Certainly not happening now, but that's a human to human thing for me.
Right.
That is, making art is a human thing.